Start. Okay, good morning, students. Welcome to my class. As we have completed exercise 4.2, today we'll start with exercise 4.3. In this exercise, we have already completed question number 2. Okay, so now we are going to start this question number 1. In this question number 1, we are supposed to draw the graph of the given equation. In that, the first question of that first one is x plus y is equals to 4. First of all, we are going to find 3 or 4 solution of this one. इसके 2-3 solution हम निकालेंगे as we have already learned in exercise 4.2. Here we can write this as x plus y is equals to 4 as y is equals to what? Y is equals to, we can write 4 minus x. Now we are going to find the value of, we are going to take the value of x and then we will get the value of y from this equation. So just make a table of this one. ये table बना देते हैं. See, this is the table. Draw this table in your graph book. I'm going to take 2 or 3. We have 4 values. Minimum 3 value you have to take. Minimum 3 value you have to take, and you can take more than 3 value. This is x and this is y. If you take x is equals to 0, यदि आप x की value 0 लगे, what will be the value of y? Yes, anyone? If you,
4.
Yeah, 4. Very good.
4.
0, 4. Then if you take the value of x as 1, then what will be the value of y?
3.
3. Very good. Yeah. If you take the value of x as suppose 2, ये क्या आ जाएगा?
2.
एक माइनस में ले लेते हैं. If you take -1, then
5.
5.
चलो. So I have taken 4 values. You can take any 4 values. आप कोई भी 4 वैल्यू ले सकते हो. ठीक है, जस्ट ठीक है, जस्ट now you are supposed to plot these points on this graph paper. ये graph paper आपके स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है. You are supposed to plot these points on this graph paper. So first of all, we are going to draw the 2 perpendicular axes, x-axis and y-axis. So this can be like this one. 5 है ना, 1 2 3 4 5. यहाँ से बना देते हैं हम. Take a line. Draw this y-axis, and from here you can draw x-axis. नेगेटिव में ज़्यादा लिया नहीं, हम यहाँ से बना सकते हैं, नहीं तो आपको उस हिसाब से चूज करना पड़ेगा. Now the points are, see, this one is +1 2 3 1 centimeter लिया है, 4 5 and so on. Similarly here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. Here -1, then -2, here also -1 -2. This is x-axis, x and x dash, y and y dash, and you can write scale also. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit, x y. Okay, now the first point is 0, 4. The value of x is 0 and the value of y is 4. It will come here 0, 4. Correct? ये सबको clear है? 0, 4 will come here. Any confusion in this one? 0, 4.
No, sir.
Then 1,
No, sir.
yeah, 1, 3 will come here.
Yes, sir.
Then 2, 2 will come here. 2, 2.
Yes.
And then -1, 5. -1 यहाँ पे आएगा x का, and 5 ये यहाँ ऊपर आ जाएगा. Now you are supposed to join all these points through a line. As it is a linear equation, आप इसको ज्वाइन करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? लाइन ही मिलेगा. यदि आपको लाइन नहीं मिल रहा है, that means your this graph is wrong. यदि आपको लाइन नहीं मिल रहा है तो 100% आपका ग्राफ क्या होगा? रॉन्ग होगा. इसलिए यहाँ पे लाइन ही मिलना चाहिए. देखो एग्जैक्ट लाइन मिलेगा आपको. ठीक है. This is the graph of this first one. This graph is x plus y is equals to 4, and you are supposed to write the scale. यहाँ पे मैं scale भी लिख देता हूँ. Scale is what? Scale is x-axis. X-axis पे आपने क्या लिया? 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit, and on y-axis again you have taken 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Is there any confusion in this one? किसी को कोई confusion है?
No, sir.
So try to plot the graph of the second one in the same way. Second, third, fourth तीनों देख लो. जो नहीं आ रहा है मुझे बताओ. Try to solve this now. अभी के अभी try कर लो. After completing this one, try to solve try to construct the graph of the second, third, and fourth now. As we have completed question number 1 and 2 of this exercise, now moving to the question number 3 of exercise number 4.3. Exercise number 4.3, question number 3 is on your screen. If the point 3,4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equals to ax plus 7, find the value of a. Very simple question. It may ask in 1 mark in the exam. As it is given that 3,4 lies on the graph of 3y is equals to ax plus 7. तो ग्राफ के ऊपर आ रहा है, इसका मतलब this 3,4 is the solution. इसका solution होगा is the solution of 3y is equals to ax plus 1. मतलब if you substitute the value of x and y in this given equation, it satisfies the equation. So therefore we can write 3 into y. What is the value of y here? 4 is equals to a. What is the value of x? 3 plus 7. Therefore this will be what? 3 4 is 12 is equals to 3a plus 7. So this will be equals to 3a is equals to what? 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is what? 5, and therefore the value of a will be 5 by 3. Any confusion in this one? As it is given that this is just this lies on the graph of this one, that means if the point lie on the graph, that means that is the solution of the given equation. Solution means what? It satisfies the equation. If it is given in the form of point, that means the first one is the x-axis and the second one is the y-axis. So first वाला value x का हो गया, second y का हो गया. Just substitute the value of x and y in the given equation and solve it for a, so that you will get the value of a is equals to 5 by 3. Is it any confusion in this one? किसी को कोई confusion है तो बोलो. Is it clear?
No, sir.
And now if we solve this fourth one, first of all you are supposed to frame the equation. After framing this equation, you are supposed to draw the graph. तो मैं equation frame कर देता हूँ. Equation मैं frame कर देता हूँ. आप लोगों को क्या करना है? Graph homework में करना है. I am going to frame an equation here. See, in fourth one it is given that a taxi fare in the city is as follows. For the first kilometer the fare is ₹8. आप 1 किलोमीटर जाओगे तो 8 रुपीज होगा, एंड फॉर द सब्सिक्वेंट डिस्टेंस इट इज 5 पर किलोमीटर. तो हर एक किलोमीटर के लिए 5 मतलब जो 5 रुपीज है हर एक किलोमीटर का वो फिक्स है. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे बोला गया है कि यू कैन टेक द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड एज एक्स. हियर डिस्टेंस कवर्ड कितना है? डिस्टेंस कवर्ड total distance covered. You can write total distance covered. Total distance covered is equals to x kilometer and total fare, जो total उसका fare हुआ, and that will be equals to rupees y. तो 1 किलोमीटर जाएंगे for first kilometer. For first kilometer, what will be the fare? 8 रुपीज लग रहा है, तो 8 में तो ऐसे लिख सकते हैं हम 3 + 1 × 5, करेक्ट. 3 इज द फिक्स चार्ज. 3 जो है वो फिक्स चार्ज है और हर एक किलोमीटर के लिए 5 रुपीज. तो 1 किलोमीटर चला, 1 किलोमीटर × 5, 1 × ये जो हमारा है ये किलोमीटर है और ये क्या है, रेट पर किलोमीटर. यू कैन राइट रेट पर किलोमीटर. इज इट क्लियर? एंड दिस इज द फिक्स चार्ज. ये हमारा फिक्स चार्ज है 3 रुपीज. Student, this is clear? For first kilometer, it is 3 + 5. 3 + 5 is 8. Why I have written 3 + 5? Because for each kilometer, the charge of 5 rupees you have to pay. तो 5 रुपए आपको हर एक किलोमीटर पे देना था. तो 8 को हम लिख सकते हैं 3 + 5. तो 3 + 5 लिखा, तो 5 जो है वो फर्स्ट एक ही किलोमीटर चला. That's why I have written 1 × 5. Is it clear? Similarly, for 2 किलोमीटर, सेकेंड किलोमीटर जाएगा तो कैसा होगा, ये 3 तो फिक्स रहेगा एंड दिस 2 × 5. इज इट क्लियर? ये इज इक्वल्स टू 8 रुपीज हो जाएगा. सेकेंड केस में कितना हो जाएगा, 5 × 2 = 10 + 3 = 13. सिमिलरली इफ यू गो x किलोमीटर, यदि आप x किलोमीटर जाओगे तो व्हाट हैपन, दिस 3 इज फिक्स एंड हियर x × 5, राइट, एंड दैट इज इक्वल्स टू गिवन हाउ, कितना कॉस्ट, टोटल कितना खर्चा हुआ उसका, ₹y. So therefore you can say this y is equals to 3 + 5x. This is the equation. If you write in the standard form, you can have this 5x minus y, 5x minus y plus 3 is equals to 0. So this is the equation that you have got while solving this word problem. Now you are supposed to draw the graph of this equation. This equation is clear to everyone? Solution number 4.
Yes, sir.
If anybody have any confusion regarding this solution number 4 कि कैसे मैंने ये इक्वेशन बनाया, तो प्लीज अनम्यूट करो और बोलिए. क्लियर है सबको? ग्राफ इसको आपको होमवर्क में
Yes, sir.
दोनों लिख लो.